Hello, Concord Junior High students. This is Mr. Rock here again making another video. This time our video is about standard linear equations, intercepts, and graphing standard linear equations with intercepts. A standard linear equation looks like this. We have ax plus by equals c. Here are some examples. 5x plus 2y equals 7. This equation is in standard form. And 3x minus 7y equals 21. This equation here is also in standard form. Here are some non-examples. Here we have x squared plus y equals 14. It looks like it's in standard form because the pattern matches. However, this is a quadratic equation because of the x squared. And over here, this equation, y equals 4x minus 9. This equation is linear, but it is not in standard form because it doesn't follow the pattern. Look, ax plus by equals c. Nope, this is y equal 4x minus 9. Now we can rewrite this equation in standard form, but right now it's not in standard form. Intercepts are the places on a graph where the graph of an equation crosses the x-axis and the y-axis. The ordered pair for an x-intercept is x0, and the ordered pair for a y-intercept is 0y. And here I have a linear example. As I follow the graph of this equation going up, I see that the graph crosses the x-axis right here. This is known as the X-intercept. The ordered pair for that intercept is going to be -2, 0. As I keep going up the graph, it crosses the y-axis right here. So this is the y-intercept. And the ordered pair for that intercept is 0, 2. Now I have a nonlinear example over here. This is a parabola, an upside down parabola, a frowny face parabola. And as I move from left to right, I come to an x-intercept, -1, 0. As I keep moving, here's a y-intercept, 0, 3. And as I keep moving even more, here's another x-intercept, 3, 0. So intercepts, those are the places where the graph crosses the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, I'm going to show you how to calculate the x and y intercepts using the thumb method. And this is what you do. I'm going to calculate the x-intercept first. So when I calculate the x-intercept, I'm going to put my thumb over the y. So this is all that I see. And this is an equation that I solve. It's 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 6. The x-intercept then is 6, 0. Next, I want to calculate the y-intercept. So I put my thumb on top of x. And I get 3y equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. Y equals 4. So the y-intercept is 0, 4. So that's the process that you use when you calculate the x and y intercepts using the thumb method. Now I'm going to use the intercepts that I just calculated using algebra to graph this equation. As you recall, we have practiced graphing a little bit by making tables. This is a method of graphing that doesn't require any tables. The method we are using is the intercept method. So I'm going to graph the x-intercept first. The x-intercept, as you recall, is 6, 0. So here's the middle. I go over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need to put a dot there. Okay, so that's the graph of the x-intercept. The y-intercept, let's see, we start at the origin. And we go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need a mark there. So there is the y-intercept. And this is the minimum number of points that I need to graph a linear equation. So all I have to do is connect those 2 points with a straight line. All right, so I'm going to attempt to draw the straight line. It's not going to be perfect, but it might be pretty good. Good enough. There. I used the intercepts to graph an equation. So in this video, you learned about the standard form of an equation, ax plus by equals c. You also learned how to calculate the x and y intercepts using the thumb method. And then using those intercepts to graph a linear equation. Good luck with your assignments. I hope you learned from this video. Bye.